Do it fit? I'd say so. Good enough. Yo! I'm doing my very first unboxing video. It's going to be unboxing for Lime Crime. Makeup for unicorns, of course. And I ordered, this is so awkward talking to myself. I ordered a bunch of stuff from the website. Me and my friend went halfers so that we could split the shipping, and the shipping was only actually $10, so we didn't really have to do that, but I mean, I'm cheap, so $5 for shipping is way better than 10. Let's get real. Okay, so I got 3 boxes. I gave my friend hers, and now I'm opening mine. So opening the box. Look at the inside though. Oh my god. It's unicorn. And like pink tissue paper. Come on. So this box, I got 2 Polly Pocket palettes. What? My nose is super nasally right now because I'm getting over my second cold in the past month. So bear with me while I sniffle my face off. Any hooser. Polly Pockets. Yes. Who else had Polly Pockets growing up? Because I had a bunch. I collected them and I had way too many of them. This is the, I don't even know how to say. Oh, it's called Pink Lemonade. That's cute. So there's 5 different colors, mattes and shimmers. I'll open them to swatch them at the end. Next one, bubble wrap. Come on. This one's the bubble gum. And same thing, 5 colors. The next box. What's it gonna be? Oh! Unicorn. Lime Crime's all about makeup for unicorns, and I feel like I'm all about that life, so I buy their stuff. Oh dear, oh dear. This box, I got Diamond Crunchers mini set, and then 3 Velveteens, because there was a crazy ass sale on the website, and these were like basically anywhere from $6 to $20, and they're normally like $25 Canadian. For those who are not Canadian, I don't know what they are, but you can look it up. And we got Psycho, kind of like a neon orange. Alien, like a weird, it's just the weirdest green and I had to have it. And Teacup, it's like a baby blue, it's like mini egg blue, I don't know, it's just nice. And then the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers mini set, Glinda. It's got Acid Fairy, Choke, and Pink Pearl. These were so cheap. They were like $15, and I looked it up and it's half the size of a full Diamond Crusher for each one. So you get basically 3, so 1.5 Diamond Crushers for $15 when normally they're like, what, 25-ish? Good deals, guys, good deals. Let's do the swatching. So, I don't know how this is gonna work because I haven't zoomed in or attempted to zoom in with my camera, but we'll see. Oh, and I forgot scissors. Do they pop open on their own? Oh, look at that! That's kind of nice. I don't have to get scissors to open them. I always worry about palettes getting shipped broken, so let's pray that they're in immaculate condition. Oh, amazing. So this is the Pink Lemonade Lime Crime Pocket Candy palettes. I said it wrong the whole time. They're actually called pocket candies. I keep calling them Polly Pockets, but no, pocket candies. So this is the first one. Wow, this is like horrible. That's better lighting. Ta-da! So we have the color Brown Sugar in that corner, Strawberry, baby cake, pink jelly, and the center is lemonade. I'm obsessed with the colors in these because you actually can do a full eye look without having to grab other palettes, because you got 2 mattes, like your crease shade, and then maybe your like amped up shade, and then you get 3 shimmers, so like your highlight and your lid color, blah 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 blah. So that's the first one. Let's swatch it. Okay, so we'll do the first 2. Keep it simple. I don't know how this works. Brown sugar. Ah, okay, so the back is interesting. The back is is labeled as if you looked at it, whereas some do it so that it's like this side is on this side, but no, this one is on this one on the back. I don't know if anyone needs to know that, but anyways. So the first one is brown sugar, and then the second one is the like hot pink color called strawberry. And I will say, anything that's like bright colors you're gonna want to use an eyeshadow primer with. However, these are fairly pigmented on their own, and I suspect they work better with a dense brush to pick up pigment, but just as a finger swatch, have a look-ski. Oh my god, these are the worst swatches of all time. So maybe I'll take pictures of the swatches and like put them into the film, because this is like awkward, 101 awkward. Whatever. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a dark rust brown. And then this like baby pink color. Ooh, I like it. And then the one that I died for, this yellow color. Oh yes. It's like a baby yellow. Nobody has baby yellow in their palettes. Oh my god. On my wrist. You can't even see that. Okay, well, you can look up other people's swatches. My swatches are useless. I didn't plan this out very well. I don't have a tissue. Cool. Oh, tissue paper. Thank you, Lime for sending me swatch wiper. Oh, and they don't even really come off, so that's good. That's a good sign. It's holding strong. This one, though. Bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Pocket candy palette. I just burped. Oops. Yes, it came perfect as well. Oh my god. I love these colors. Pop. Snap. Chew. Blow. And the center is called Bubble. How fitting. I love that there's like a mirror in the back too. Oh, my hair. Okay, well, that's good to know that I had hair in my face that whole time. Let's swatch this one. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. Ooh, I like the blue in the center. Bubble, bubble. Alright. Swatches. Why do I always swatch them on that side of the hand? You can't see them. I'm gonna rate myself a 0.05 for my swatching abilities. I can't even see them. Anyways, there you go. That's just one swatch without primer or anything. Pigmentation wise, they get like a 7 out of 10. I totally feel like with a primer these are gonna be awesome, and I'll have to do some looks with it. Polly Pockets, better palettes. Pocket candy. Why do I keep saying that? They're pocket candy. They're called pocket candy by Lime Crime, okay? There is one other one, by the way. There's a purple one, and I did order the purple one, but my friend wanted that one, so I was like, I'll save some money and just get the 2 that I really, really want. And then she can have the purple one because she's all about purple. Worked out. It worked out. This is the Diamond Crushers mini set. It's like a little, what's it called? Crackers, like a Christmas cracker. So it's like a little bit late for that, but you know, that's why it's on sale. And little wrapping. Oh, look at it. So cute. Roll it on out. Oh, so little. Look at the little bag. Oh my god. That's so cute. God, I was expecting, okay, like, I knew that there was a pink, but this is like so much nicer in person. So let's do pink pearl. Oh, what is on my hand? Maybe not. Maybe I won't swatch it there. Okay, where can I swatch to be able to see it? Right there. Okay, perfect. Pink pearl. lights are not close enough. There we go. That's a little better. Acid Fairy. You gotta love these names, I'm telling you. Oh, it's like so pretty. It's like a purpley baby pink color. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like if a fairy was on acid. Yeah, Acid Fairy. So you can see that this one's a lot more like neutrally colored. This one's like a soft pinky white color. And then Choke. It's like we're putting Choke next to the Acid Fairy. That's kind of funny. Choke that Acid Fairy. Ooh, I like that one the best, I think. It's like holographic pink that shines purple. I don't even know. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my god, I need to work on my swatching. Please, someone tell me how to do this. I have those. I'm gonna use these, like, everybody uses them like on the lips over top of liquid lipsticks, but I honestly use them everywhere. Like I use them on my eyes, my cheeks, my lips. I don't know if they're eye safe, but like, let's hope, because I do that anyways. So do it at your own precautions. Do it at your own precautions. Anyways, we have Teacup, Alien, and Psycho, Lancome Velveteens, liquid matte lipsticks. Psycho. It is like neon orange. So we just swatched that then. Ooh, yes. Ooh, these. Oh yes, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla pudding. I can't trade the swatch, see. Anyways, moving right along to Alien. This light, kind of light neon green. I don't know how to explain it. There it is. Alien. And last but not least, we got Teacup. Teacup is like a baby blue. I said mini egg blue. That could be accurate. Yet again, this is weird. This applicator's different. Still smells the same. Interesting. Teacup. Oh my god, my camera keeps turning off. Don't do it, Carla. Don't do it. Well, that concludes the video. So we got the Velveteens. Da, da, da. The mini diamond crushers. Da, 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 da. And pocket candies. And that's the correct name, pocket candies. Subscribe to my stuff. Thumb up or not thumb down. No, do not do it. I will come after you. I forgot to say or do an intro. Why did I do an intro? Anyways, my name's Ashley and this is my first YouTube. Yeah, I guess it's a YouTube video. I'm probably the most awkward person filming myself because I don't like to talk to nobody but a camera. So bear with this video. It might be really awkward or it might turn out. I have no idea. If you like what you saw though and want to see more, please subscribe because I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Thanks so much. Okay, that's done. My video stopped recording. Oh no! Why are you coming home?